How you going? Today I'm going to teach you how to make the ultimate bacon sandwich. It is fantastic. You will love it. It's simple to make. It doesn't take long. You can make it during the ad breaks while watching the football possibly. Anyway, here we go. Okay, first step, make sure your pan is nice and warm. It's pretty hot, you can see the smoke coming off it. Don't bother putting any oil in. There's enough grease in the bacon, it doesn't need oil. So, stick in your bacon. Got to make sure you got enough for a sandwich. Okay, some people will be looking at this now saying, that's a hell of a lot of bacon for one sandwich. But you can never have too much bacon on a sandwich. Me, I kind of go for the medium amount. You want to turn it regularly so it doesn't burn, and you don't want it too crisp. Okay, crisp bacon, it is good, it has its place, but that's mainly at the Thai breakfast buffets where I don't know how to make omelettes anyway, so you need something to give it a bit of consistency, I guess, texture. Anyway. The place is going to probably fill up with smoke. Better open a window. Turn the fan on. Just so we don't get smoke blowing everywhere. I'm setting off the fire alarm. So it doesn't take too long to get a little bit of colour on the bacon. So drop down your bread. Got to toast that up. You can't have a bacon sandwich with untoasted bread. Well, you can, and it's almost as good, but not quite. Bacon's about cooked enough. Could cook it more if you like it crispy, but as I said, you don't want it crispy. Wrong time, wrong place for it. So we'll just turn the heat off, let it sit there in the pan until the toast is ready. When you're waiting for it, toasters can take a very long time sometimes. Well, it'll pop up eventually. While we wait, here's the key. Give the bacon a bit of a shuffle around while we're waiting for the toast. You don't want it any more crispy than that. Not for a sandwich. Take it off the heat. Oh, toast has popped up. Hot. Okay, stick it on your plate. You don't need to put butter on it. You don't want to put butter on it. This sucker's going to be greasy enough as it is without the butter. So don't bother about butter. Right, that's the bacon on the bottom bit of bread. HP sauce. Now you could use barbecue sauce, which is really just a poor man's very nasty, cheap imitation of HP sauce. Oh, it's upside down. There you go, HP. You could use tomato sauce. If that's what you want, well, go ahead, but it's not going to be as good. Anyway, HP sauce. That should do it. Grab your second bit of toast, stick it on top. And now the taste test. Just perfect for watching the football. Talking about which, the Rabbitohs are about to start on TV. Go Rabbitohs. I'm going to enjoy my bacon sandwich with HP sauce while watching the Rabbitohs. Catch you later.